Welcome to my weight loss journey guided meditation. Start the meditation by sitting in a comfortable position. You should be able to maintain it comfortably for the duration of this meditation. Allow yourself a moment to settle in and claim your space. Sit up straight, but keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Allow your eyes to flutter closed and breathe deeply. With every deep breath, soften your body and allow yourself to sink into the ground. Allow your hands to lay palm first on your thighs and continue breathing. Focus on drawing a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Appreciate the present, acknowledge it, and let's focus on working our way to self-love. Sometimes it's easy to forget just how much you love yourself. You lose your confidence. Focus on drawing a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To free yourself from negative thoughts, you can nourish your mind and lighten it. This is your moment of freedom. You shouldn't need to look too hard or too far for love. It's inside you. It's hidden from all your worries and your insecurities. But if you look deep within, you will find it ready to lead you. Before you can understand that your journey is your own and your weight loss is for yourself, you can start by leaning into positivity. Let all of your negative thoughts and worries float away. They have no home here, and you have no time for them. Imagine yourself walking to a stunning shoreline. The water is crystal clear, and the sand an almost blinding white. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the slightest breeze tickling you. And as you look out at the water, you see all of those negative thoughts and worries floating away. They are on a tiny ship. As this ship sails further away from you, it is being consumed by fire. The negative thoughts burn and evaporate into the sky, gone forever. In the distance, you hear a voice. Repeat after me. I am worthy. I am capable. I embrace the desire to lose weight for me. Again. I am worthy. I am capable. I embrace the desire to lose weight for me. Again. I am worthy. I am capable. I embrace the desire to lose weight for me. You might not be happy with your body as it is now, but it is your body, and you must accept it before you can move forward. Your body serves you. It sustains you. It carries you. It is part of your experience. Be grateful for all it does for you. Shift your focus to the firm seat below you. It is offering you an anchor. It is firm support in the same way your body is for your heart and soul. And as you continue to deep breathe, you can feel your breath traveling throughout your body, touching every cell, lightening your load. Draw a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once more, draw a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your weight loss journey is your own. Its success depends on your motivation. Your body is your own, and you are the only one who can decide what happens to it. The truest form of motivation is you decide you are losing the weight for yourself. Repeat after me. I want to lose weight to be healthy. I take this weight loss journey for myself. My body deserves to be healthy. I am worthy of all the success this journey can offer me. I want to lose weight for myself. I only have to please myself, and I have the power to do so. I want you to visualize yourself in front of a mirror. Take a moment to truly see yourself, and don't rush this. Just take it all in. If you feel the impulse to criticize, resist it. Look yourself in the eye. What do you see? Let those emotions flow through you freely. Don't be afraid to allow your reflection to feel the emotions, whether it's sadness, anger, or joy. It is all a part of your heart. It is normal. While maintaining eye contact with your mirror self, I want you to repeat after me. You are beautiful. You are powerful. You make healthy decisions. I want you to be healthy. I love you. This journey that you have chosen to walk is not for anyone else. It is for you. And the only way you will succeed is if you fully embrace this fact as you move forward. Draw a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once more, draw a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take a moment to deep breathe and shift your focus back to the present before you resume your day.